That's about right. You see that one? He's coming back in. To the left. He's coming in. He's coming in. Nice. I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good morning. It's I don't even know what the day is anymore. December 16th, I think. Anyways, we got here really late last night, and so we didn't even set up our blind or anything. Like, we're just literally sitting in our chairs. And we got a really late start this morning, needless to say. And of course, we didn't have the camera or anything set up, and ducks were just dropping in out of nowhere. Like, there's probably 10 or 12 of them that landed before we even had our guns. He was putting up the ATV, and they're just flying in and just having a good old time, quacking away. Anyways, so we didn't get any of the action on camera, of course.
But we've got a good 8 or 9 ducks out there.
Yeah, so we're about to go get them and see what we got. It's exhausting trying to walk through this sloshy bottom, dude.
That was my nickname in high school.
Sloshy bottom?
Yeah. It's unfortunate. Ooh.
Everything's fine. This one has like a greenish to it right there. See it?
Mm-hmm.
They're so pretty.
They are, man. I like them a lot. Just a very outdoorsy looking duck, you know what I mean?
Yeah. He's pretty, man. There we go. Okay. That's crazy, dude. I like your little hook over there for your ammo.
If it falls, I'll be pissed.
That Tweety bird almost just got blasted, dude. That big gadwall, did you get that one? Right here. She gone. That's the most we've ever shot in one sitting. Hopefully I was recording. They're circling back. They're coming in. They didn't like something. Why did they land so far? There's more coming in. They said, right here above us, right here above us. Kind of circled back. Here it comes, here it comes. This duck is very unsure. It is just circling above us, dude. You see her? Seriously? The ducks is toying with us, bro.
I know. You recording right now?
Huh?
You recording?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, I'm about to fall or something.
Remember if you asked if you were about to fall?
Oh. Okay.
I told you there's a hole there.
I found it.
Here, baby. You didn't get your jacket wet though.
I sure didn't. I smashed my finger into the thing.
On all these stumps.
All right, well, guys.
I fell earlier too, man. It's all around here because I think there's big hog wallows.
Oh, yeah. Yep. Okay, yeah. So we noticed that the ducks are kind of, they're not wanting to land over here anymore. So I think we're going to go get this belly up duck over here. Because it's got his white belly up. I don't know if it's making a difference or not, but.
They seem to be wanting to land over there now instead of
Yeah, they want to like land over there on the edge of the pond over there. So let me see if I can do this without falling again. Yeah, we only need 2 more ducks for our 2-man limit. And we've had probably 10 ducks at least come work around us, but they keep landing on the other side of these things sticking up out of the water. So we're gonna get this in, and then hopefully they'll start landing over here. Yeah, you're pretty hidden. I'm like out in the middle of. All right, here they come, baby.
Hey, I still think you could reach out and touch them, but that's about max.
Oh yeah, I was gonna look and see how far that was. Let's go, baby. One more. Oh yeah, I meant to look and see how far that side was over there. It's about 75 yards to that corner over there. There's one right here. It landed over there. You probably need to try to go find it.
Yeah, did you see where it went down?
Yeah, and those trees kind of straight ahead. Okay. Because if we got that one, we don't need to shoot anymore.
Right.
Okay, so we just shot one, as you saw. Shot at one, I should say. We saw it go down in the trees over here. So I'm gonna go try to find it. Is it kind of right here? Over here? Hello?
Hello, behind you.
I think it went down in these trees.
No, I saw exactly where he went down. It's to your right. Those trees out there.
Are you sure? So we shot a duck and it went down over there. He found it. So that is a 2-man limit. That is our first time ever hitting a 2-man limit in one hunt / day. So we are super excited. Okay, you know, I said that we got a 2-man limit. Let me just show you. My face paint's super cool. Let me just show you what we're working with here, okay? So we set this out. Our decoy's right there. Literally sitting in chairs in the trees. Didn't set up the A-frame, didn't set up our chairs or anything. Mine is literally in the open. Like, what in the world? That is so exciting though. We're so excited. And literally, like, the ATV is parked back here. Right back there. Like, what in the world? We spend hours brushing in blinds and all that kind of stuff, and then we just sit, like look at my chair. Look at my chair. Like I said, his was a little more brushed in because he had the trees behind him, or hidden. I shouldn't say brushed in, but yeah, I think we only flared like 1 duck.
I know, it's kind of crazy.
Yeah.
Sometimes the stupidest ideas work the best.
Yeah.
Oh, feels nice.
Yes, it does.
We could have hit our 2-man limit by 7:30 probably.
Yeah.
If we were here on time.
Yeah, because like I said, there was at least 10 ducks that came in and landed whenever we just weren't prepared. We were dragging this morning, but
Definitely dragging.
it paid off. So
I'm glad we came out.
Yep.
Yes. It seems it's time to go.
Yes.
It's early.
Why my forehead looks so bright?
Long day.
There. Oh, hold on. There we go.
I don't know if you heard, but we shot our first 2-man limit. So
It's actually our first hunt. We got
Let's
our
go.
first 2-man limit on our first hunt
yeah,
ever.
first hunt ever. That's not true. We spent umpteen thousands of dollars on duck hunting stuff to kill our first 2-man limit, sitting in a chair
And chairs,
at the edge of a pond.
barely hidden by some trees.
Granted, it's a mess of winged ducks and winged ducks. They all have wings. Ringnecks and gadwalls, but dude, we don't see many mallards out here, unfortunately. I thought we had shot one.
I thought we had to, but it was just a huge. I mean, it was a big gadwall.
Big gadwall. Actually, we may look because we're trying to. The plan is to mount one of every type, and so we're gonna look at him. We may end up.
Yeah, he's big.
We may end
He's
up
nice.
mounting him. He's pretty, but
Hold the camera still.
I'm trying really hard. Anyways, we are done for the day, and it feels weird to be done because
we have to be.
Because we
and not
have to
because
be.
we chose to.
yeah. So we're gonna bring it on in and just kick back, maybe drink a little hot chocolate, have some breakfast. I appreciate you guys, dude. I hate that you guys missed. Like, seriously, here's the thing, dude. I feel like when we weren't recording, we were nailing shots, dude. 30 yards coming across our face, just nailing them, single shots. And then whenever it finally slowed down enough we could get the camera, I feel like we water swatted 2, and that was the end of it.
Yeah.
I know.
By the time we got the cameras, we already had 8 or 9.
Yeah. So, it's unfortunate, but at the same time, it's like you can't just stop hunting to get the
No.
cameras ready when it's like crazy.
Yeah.
a few weeks back, I actually shot at a buck, and I feel like I hit him, and we never found him. We looked for
5 hours.
at least 5 hours across the night and the next morning, and just could not find him, unfortunately. So the other thing is we didn't find any blood, which has been a long time since I've missed, but I have had an issue with some of the ammo that I'm shooting in the past, where it pretty much just blows right through them, like doesn't expand, just punches right through them, and it doesn't leave a lot of blood.
That's pretty cool.
So I switched out of that. I've got a new ammo, and so hopefully we'll get to see how that does. But I may even shoot a hog today if they come up. I don't know. But we're looking for that big boy buck because it's getting late. We've only got like 3 or 4 weekends left, maybe.
I think so.
So it's getting down to crunch time. We need to get us a buck.
Yeah. Okay, guys. Well, I thought I was recording, but I was not. Because I'm a dum-dum. There was a big hog at the feeder. And, he shot it. So, I guess we'll see what happens next.
Yeah,
We were just talking like, oh, the hog comes out. Do you want me to shoot it? And I was like, yeah, go ahead. And they looked up and there was a hog at the feeder. So,
literally after I said that, there was a hog at the feeder.
so I guess we'll see.
Yep.
We were super concerned because I was starting to think my gun was off. I still didn't really hit him where I mean, he was angled away from me, so it was a good shot. But I was super concerned that my gun was off and all kinds of stuff. But he died in the most like convenient place ever, right off of this road, so we can actually just get a 4-wheeler back here and haul him up. But come look at this bad boy. He's dead, right? Look at the head on this thing.
Yeah, dude, he's big.
Look at the head on it.
And we didn't find any blood until about 100 yards.
Look at the cutters on it. That's a big old pig, man. That's really gonna help the landowner here out quite a bit. They do a ton of destruction. So, man, and it's gonna help us out because I'll eat it.
Yes.
We'll eat it for sure. So now we just gotta get him down here.
Now's the fun part.
Look at these cutters. They ain't too bad at all.
No.
But yeah, the shot was a little far back. The way he was angled away, though, it came through the vitals. So
I'll be curious to see the other side
yeah,
where it came out at.
you want to flip them real quick?
Yeah.
Not a bad day, dude.
No.
This morning, we went and shot a bunch of ducks, limited out, 2-man limit on that, and then now we got us a hog. I mean, it'd be nice if he was a big buck and had antlers, but hey, this thing's
Hey,
gonna
we can
eat
fix
great.
that.
And he's a pretty big boy.
Yeah, that'll be nice.
Yeah, I'm excited about it. We just may have to get a new freezer
Yes.
because we're running out of room already.